Hi guys, Paul here from London and welcome to MG Tracy. I love my gimmicks and saw this one on Amazon, which is the new 7 colour LED shower head water faucet light. So just replaces your normal shower head. No batteries was the bit I couldn't quite work out, but actually how it works is it uses the mains water pressure to sort of turn a little turbine there, which then drives the power to run alternating LED bulbs within there. So also £4.14 with free UK delivery. How great and unusual gift is this for somebody? So anyway, this is the box it comes in. So the box did get a little bit battered, but there we go, 7 colours, no batteries. So I'm going to screw it into my shower, turn the lights out and see what my £4.14 has bought. I hope you like it. Please share, like and subscribe. I'll put the links below for Amazon if you want to buy this for someone for Christmas or birthday. If it works, it's a lot of fun. This is Paul from London. See you next time. Cheers.